Okay, guys, I'm done. I went ahead and I double layered the end of my lashes, and then I sealed them up. I'm super happy with the way they turned out because I think that they are just beautiful. Like, you cannot convince me otherwise. So, yeah. I'm super excited to see how long they last. I will keep you guys updated. I'll also post a link down below, so if you do want to click on them and order you some of these clusters, you can. But yeah, what do you guys think? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments.
Well, it's your funeral. Just kidding. It's your wedding, and it will be a dream come true.
Hey, Bunnykins, how's my fiancé?
I'm just running our guest list over to Peggy. She is my roommate of honor and all, and she's been dying to use the calligraphy kit.
Odd. Vexing. My father's name is on the list. Make sure his full name reads Bug Dribble, womanizing jerk who is not invited to my re-wedding because I hate him.
Come on, Shug. Sometimes
It heats up real.
This 5-barrel crimping curling iron is totally awesome. So the iron itself is extremely heavy duty, has a very easy to use clamp, has a nice LED digital display, and it also comes with a heat glove so that you can actually hold your hair against the iron if needed. Comes nicely packed.